As a first step, notice that the denominator can be factorized as x plus 3 times x plus 2, and therefore the integral can be written as follows. Here, I would suggest to pause the video to think about what the next steps might be. Yes, you are correct. We can use partial fraction decomposition to obtain two simpler fractions which would be easier to integrate. So, we can rewrite this as a over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 2. Now, multiplying both sides by the denominator and expanding, we get 2x plus 3 equals to a plus b x plus 2a plus 3b. Then, matching the coefficients of the x term, we get the equation a plus b equals to 2. And similarly, for the constant term, we get the equation 2a plus 3b equals to 3. So from the first equation, we get a equals to 2 minus b, which we can plug into the second equation and tidy up to get b equals to minus 1. And therefore, a equals to 3. Now putting these values back in, we get this integral. Finally, integrating each term separately using logs, we get the answer I equals to 3 natural log of modulus of x plus 3 minus natural log of modulus of x plus 2 plus c. A like really helps. Thank you.